Welcome back to the video library. Today we're going to be discussing how to use the waitlist feature specifically on the CPS Air module. Earlier we discussed how to use the waitlist feature in the starter hut terminal on a point of sale. Now we're going to be showing you how to use it on the CPS Air module. First we'll need to log in to our specific account for our CPS Air. If you don't see the starter hut module, navigate to the three lines and find the starter hut module. Once the module loads, you'll see the tee times for the course that you're selected. If we need to add a time to the wait list, we'll simply select the time that we want to add the person to the wait list. Once again, we're not overriding who's here, we're just putting the time that the person would like to play around. This individual is by himself, he'd like to play around 1:30, so I'm going to select 1:30. In the bottom left, we'll see three dots right next to the left of edit. Click those dots and we'll find a few things in here. What we're looking for though is waitlist. We're going to select waitlist. It's going to pull up the waitlist search feature. We're going to add the person by searching for their name. And we're going to select the individual. After we've selected the individual, who is currently already in the database, we're going to hit add to waitlist. And then done. Now this individual lives in our waitlist. As we can see in the top right, waitlist and the two people that are waiting and how long they have been waiting. For example, the first person has been waiting 32 minutes and the person we just put in there for the 1:30 slot has been waiting 0 minutes. This time at 2 has opened up. I'm going to get this person that's been waiting here for about a half hour out there. I'm going to select that person's name. Do you want to apply it to the time? Yes, we do. And that person now has moved from the wait list. Notice it's gone from 2 to 1 and is in the slot at 2 o'clock. This has been how to use the waitlist feature on the CPS Air terminal. If you have any questions about this feature or anything else, feel free to contact support.